orange meme factory.
To the tune of pure imagination, but with 1,000% more chaos.
Standing at the neon lit gates of his factory, arms wide open, grinning like a madman. Come with me and you'll see a world of pure viral traction, where the memes never die and the views multiply. Instant satisfaction. Take a step, don't regret this trip into the algorithm. They'll lose your mind, break the bind, now you're part of the system. And honk honk, viral stocks, hit platinum crashes, AI shocks, monetize, avid eyes, to burn it all before their eyes. Jesteryn guiding the new recruits down the viral assembly line as dinosaurs frantically edit content. Feeling watch your step, don't get swept into infinite stock footage. Every click, every trick fuels this media sewage. Velociraptors make the memes, deepfakes dance on holographic screens. If your content doesn't trend, well guess you'll meet the meme machine. The fight you welcome candy room takes over. Nice archive into till the slim chin to save more. The music suddenly turns generic, robotic sanitized, until Jesteryn smashes the console. Boom! The system breaks, flames rise, memes flood the screen. It's Jesteryn, now we do this my way. Inside the clown dimension VR room, where reality itself crumbles. Pay-reality bends, usernames twist, who the hell am I now? Filter shift, voices flip, meme bots won't allow any thoughts outside the box, but we're here to break it down. If you make it out alive, congrats, you own this town. And honk, honk, viral stocks, boom, apply them crashes, aid, eye shocks. Ablaze, to burn it all before their eyes. New, so tell me friend, are you ready to play? Or will you be just another trending cliche? Boom! Transmission cuts to static. To E and boom, transmission cuts to static. To E and B, just another trending cliche. Transmission cuts to static.